Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am with I guess a small Michaels haul. I mean, if you guys knew me from before the squad, I'm very minimal. I try to be minimal when it comes to what I buy. So I didn't buy every single sticker book that came out with the spring release. I definitely wanted Colorful Leopard, Colorful Florals, and Good Habits. These were the ones that I ordered directly from the website, and then if there are any more that I want from the actual store, we'll see. But I'm gonna do a quick flip through of all of these three. First, Colorful Florals. Of course I got a Florals book. So, ooh, I like that there's boxes and functional in here as well. I like the different colors. I can see a rainbow spread coming on. I love these. And I always love the paint swoop. I don't know why. Oh, and this is on translucent paper. I like that. I like these boxes, like the green and with the black florals. Very, very nice. I like these boxes. I can see myself using that in my dashboard layout. I don't know about these. I feel like the whole point of a box is to be able to write in it, but then it's been taken up by a floral. There we go. I really like that there's a lot of functional in here. Ooh, the foil. I love the foil, but it is so hard to photograph. I love, ooh. So no, they're not individual boxes. It's just one big box like that. Oh, I definitely see a rainbow spread coming on. I love these quotes. I really love these quotes. They're similar to what was in Stephanie Fleming's sticker book. Oh, I love that it's the translucent sticker paper. So you will be able to see through this. I can't even peel it up right now. I like that. Ooh, and gold foil. More of these. They're weird hexagons. They're not the regular hexagons. Top priority. Love that. Part of me already thinks I'm gonna cut these florals out and then use the word grow and bloom in a different way, but that's just me. I love this. I love quotes like this. Love the black florals. Love these boxes. I like that they're one color. I really like these boxes too. See, that is a better use of the space in the hexagon. Ooh, and numbers and letters. Very, very pretty. Lastly, with the gold foil and more black florals. Love that. So that is, ooh, Colorful Florals. The next one is Good Habits. And I liked this because of the color palette. There we go. I don't think this is one that's really full of decor, but I really love the color palette. I don't know if I'll really use the check-in boxes, but I love these full boxes here. I could probably try and use those in my dashboard layouts or in my work planner as well, or fitness planner. There you go. Goal, crushed it, made progress. I like that. I could actually see myself using this in my fitness planner. And I really like the color scheme. Oh, okay, these are habit trackers. Ah, habit trackers for the week. Hexagons, love them. I like these as well. Good habits start now. Practice kindness. Time to focus on you. Love these. You guys know that I love long quotes like these. They're some of my favorites. I am strong, proud of myself. I did it. I am making progress with. Intentions for the month. Okay, so you can put these in your monthly spread. Reflection. How am I feeling about my journey? I like this as well, a monthly habit tracker. I don't actually use monthly habit trackers, but I think I could start using them on like my currently pages. Oh, there's quite a few. Love these. Love these icons, and I think they would work so well in my fitness planner. Ooh, and then there's more. Focus, improvements, track, details, victories. I like those. And then these pretty, it's like gold, bronze gold foil. I really like the color scheme of this. Oh, wow. Love that. Oh, and then just little crosses and then little stars. Love that edition. Love that. Oh my goodness. This is the reason why I bought this book. Yes. Love those. So those are Good Habits. And the last sticker book in my Michaels haul is Colorful Leopard. I've seen other squad members with this. I didn't actually watch all of the flip throughs, but because I wanted to see them for myself. So look at that. I love the colors. Some of them are really bright and some of them are pastel and muted. I really like those. Ooh, I like this color palette. Really like that. Love all the functional boxes. And with the gold foil added in there. And be brave, darling. Find joy today. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Love all the washi strips. ASAP the plan work. I could see myself. Ooh, date night. Look at the letters. Love this. Love that. To do. More to do's. Appointment. I don't really use appointment stickers. I really don't. What I could see myself doing is actually cutting out the word appointment and then just using the leopard. Same with birthday and celebrate. Meeting. I feel like I could definitely use this in my work planner if I had long meetings, but my meetings are like 30 minutes. Ooh, is this one long strip? It is. Ooh. Okay. So that's one big sticker. Love these. Oh, and there's 2 pages of them. Ah, 3 pages of them. The 2 are with like the translucent sticker paper, and then this one's the matte. Oh my God. I love that. And I love that there's those combinations, like you've got the transparent paper and then you've got the matte. Just begin. Seize today. Busy. Focus. Love this. Guys, this is an awesome, awesome sticker book. I love it. Whoop. Stuck together. That is awesome. Gosh, I love that. So that is Colorful Leopard. So those are all of the 3 sticker books in my small Michaels haul. I did order some more things from the Happy Planner website for the spring release. That itself wasn't a huge haul either. I'm trying to really just purchase the sticker books that I know I will use, but I am so happy with these ones. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I have included a link to the Happy Planner website for those that are available on the Happy Planner website, and I've also included a link below for the Michaels website. Thanks again so much for watching, and have yourselves a great day.